Replace your cracked or broken passenger side mirror glass at a fraction of the dealer cost. Original equipment quality, fit and function. Includes backing plate. Step-by-step instructions for easy installation. Passenger side non-heated mirror glass with backing plate, Honda Accord, 4 7/8 by 7 5/8 by 7 3/4. Mirror glass does not have heating capabilities. Mirror has no turn signal. Will not fit cross tour. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Needed a new mirror and this was perfect. My son opened the box, read the instructions and immediately put it on the car. Exactly what was needed.